Welcome back to my channel, and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Michawn, and I do weekly DIYs, hauls, vlogs, and other fun things. In today's video, I have another buffalo check Christmas decor for you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are new, and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss an upload. Alright dolls, let's get started. For the first DIY, I am using these buffalo check bows that I picked up from Dollar General for $1, as well as this sleigh that I got from Target's Dollar Spot last year for $3. And I actually lost the footage of me deconstructing those bows and placing them at the bottom of that wreath. So right here you can see that they are at the bottom of the wreath. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I do apologize about that. All you're going to do is lay out the bows flat and then just go ahead and put them on the bottom of that sleigh and just cut them to size. Next up, I'm using this new ornament from Dollar Tree. It is like a glittery, woodsy wreath with a reindeer head in the middle, and I went ahead and glued the reindeer head to the front. Gave it some support by putting some paint bottles under there so it could stay. Next, I'm going to use this old foam form that I had and just going to go ahead and wrap around some of these old Christmas ties, like these greenery ties that I had laying around, and I'm just going to wrap it around so that it kind of hides the green foam form. And then I'm just going to start putting in and sticking in some picks that I had. A lot of the stuff I had from last year, some of the stuff I got this year from Walmart, like those glitter berries that are on the sticks. They're absolutely so cute and adorable. I picked those up. They were 97 cents over at Walmart, and I had a couple of picks that had birds on it. They're so cute, but all I'm doing is just putting all of my red and glittery red and green picks in this wreath, in this foam form, and it's so cute. It came out so good. And then to cover up the front part of it, I just tucked in some loose berries that I had on hand also. So really all I did was spend about $3 on this because I had everything else on hand. For the next DIY, I am using a placemat buffalo check pattern, as well as an old tree skirt, like a white tree skirt, kind of like looks like snow. I got both these from Dollar Tree. I'm actually going to be making a pillow, and I thought about just getting two placemats and gluing them together, but I wanted to get a little creative for my budget-friendly folks, so I'm using one, realizing that I can actually pinch apart the fabric on there to make a pillow out of it. And all I'm doing is cutting the corner. I thought I'd be able to cut the corner and be able to fish in the tree skirt that I had, but I had to actually cut down the side on it a little bit more. So I'm sure there's a different way that I probably could have done it, but I actually like the way that it turned out. Do you guys hear my baby? Isn't he so cute? Hey, Isaiah. Anyways, once I had a hole big enough to be able to fit my old tree skirt in there, I'm going to go ahead and fill it up in there. Now, you can use any kind of fillers you want. You can use actual pillow fill. If you have an additional pillow that you don't need, I probably could have used that, but I really wanted to use some of the stuff that I was going to throw out going through my Christmas decor products because I don't really like to throw anything away. If I can reuse it, I'm going to reuse it. So that's what I did here. And then to close it up, I'm going to go ahead and just hot glue the seams down. Now, because it looks a little silly on that corner, I decided to go ahead and use this joy sign. I got this last year from an ornament in Dollar Tree. So I'm reusing this as well. I had this on another DIY last year where I used it in a picture frame. So I'm just reusing it because it's in perfect condition. And then to get me a little bit more contrasting of colors because it just kind of looked a little weird there, I'm going to go ahead and put a buffalo check bow on the top corner of that joy sign because it looks a little silly and a little funky on the corner that I did cut that pillow. And I'm going to go ahead and take off the shiny ribbon or the shiny twig that it used to keep it together, whatever it's called, and just wrap some twine around that and glue it at the top. And this is what it turned out. It's so cute. Like, I probably could have just used the ribbon or the bow and just glued it on top to hide the funky little corner, but I really love the joy sign on that. So yeah. For the next DIY, I'm actually using one of these glass vases, and I used the Rust-Oleum white spray paint to paint that. I did not have the footage. I'm so sorry about that. But this actually, I used this for last year's DIY. And then I'm just going to go ahead and place this really cute floral pick that I got from Walmart for $1. It was 97 cents, and put that in there. Super easy DIY. Takes about 5 minutes for you to paint it and for it to dry. It's so easy. Maybe 10 minutes for it to dry. And then to give it a little bit more pizzazz in my buffalo check decor, I go ahead and glue a buffalo check bow on front of it, of course wrapping twine around the front of it first. Alright dolls, that's all I have for you today with my cute buffalo check home decor for Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again so much dolls. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!